So we're here in Venice still, and we're taking a personal taxi. We're gonna go down, just do some of the sights. We're gonna go down the other end of the island, or the other end of the chain of islands, and check out the Naval Museum and work our way back and see some of the historic sites. But figured I'd give you guys a little view of the Grand Canal in Venice and the water taxi, which these taxis are pretty incredibly expensive, but worth it if you want something private, or if you want to go somewhere and not have to take the public transportation. This is one of the main historic bridges. LT, what's that bridge called again? Rialto. That's the Bridge Rialto behind us. And this is it right here. Why everybody comes to Venice.
Too fast.
What?
I was thinking what that's gonna look like when I wanna see this big guy get next to me on the boat.
They'll do it. That's why they have. Or he's turning. He's backing out to let the other guy in. So about to go through on the Bridge of Screams, and one side of the river is the courthouse, and there's a bridge over the river. The other side is the jail. So this is the courthouse, and these are the magistrates or judges or whatever. And then when you were sentenced, you were brought from the courthouse over here, over to the jail on the other side, what we call the Bridge of Screams.
You're just in front of you, other side of the basin.
And these are the jail cells on the other side of the bridge. I've been in some pretty bad European prisons, but I think this trumps all. My goodness. I can only imagine the horrors of this Venetian prison. But not a bad view for a prison cell. That would suck. Pretty small door, about lower than chest height. Pretty small cell. What the heck is going on with our Airbnb? But not cool, man. Hey guys, we're finishing up the day in Venice with a little night ride. A couple cigars on the gondola. Pretty sweet gondola. I don't know how much you guys can see. I'll try and lighten it up as much as I can. But gondola ride and cigars, Venice, Italy. Closing out the night. Yeah. I'm good. I'm good.
Okay,
Pretty amazing.